First thing to do is make sure you've got the correct thickness of string line for your trimmer. Then you're going to want to cut two pieces that are the same length. If they're not the same length, you'll end up with a bunch of waste left over at the end, and you'll just have to cut that off and throw it away. So my Craftsman weed whacker here has had a tough life, but what you're going to make sure you do is match this arrow up here with the arrow on the red bumper here. Now if you don't have the arrow like I don't, then you need to use this little indent here, and you want to make sure that that is lined up, and that's how you're going to start feeding the string line in. Now that you have the bumper lined up with the cover, you can start feeding your string line in. So what you want to do is push it in, and you'll feel a little bit of resistance, and you're going to push past that about ½ an inch, like that, and then turn around and put the other side in. Same thing, push it in, feel a little bit of resistance, and push past. Some may argue that this is not the best method for feeding the string line into the trimmer. I actually really like it, and I think it's actually quite a neat design. That's my personal opinion. If you think I'm wrong, make sure to leave a comment down in the description below on what you think about this system here. Rewinding couldn't be easier. All you need to do is turn the bumper clockwise, maybe anti-clockwise if you have a different model. Make sure you check that out. There will be an audible click when you turn it. You just need to turn past that. And there's a little bit of resistance, but not too much. If you have a chewed up bumper like I have here, it might be a little bit difficult to turn.